Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine, finishing your St. Valentine's projects and starting your Easter projects or spring projects. If you're new to my channel, I am Karina, and yes, I love to paper craft as well as love to organize my crafty supplies. And if you're interested in watching this type of videos, just don't forget to click that subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. In today's video, I am participating in the ISSA Link Party hosted by Scrapdaworld. She has a blog. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below. And this month's challenge is to make a 3x3 boxed note cards. So I followed her tutorial and made the 3x3 box cards that you are going to see once I flip my camera down here. I will be right back. So I am back, and this is a 3x3 note box card that I made following Scrapdaworld tutorial. I will leave the link of her tutorial in the description box below, as well as her blog link in case you want to participate in the ISSA Link Party for this month. So the following materials that I use. First one, La La Love. I use this paper from La La Love, pad. I use the Cuttlebug embossing folder, and the name of this embossing folder, Provo Craft, it doesn't have a name, but it's like birdie and swirls, flowers. I got this a long time. So then I use Pentel gel pen. I use this washi tape that I have in my stash, and I use this set of Recollection Valentine's Day die. This was gifted to me. And now let's start revealing the 3x3 box note card. And just come a little bit closer, and instead of doing a belly band, what I did was just put a golden thread around, and I used the La La Love paper and I cut a piece. I also emboss a white cardstock. Here's the washi tape, and this gorgeous heart embellishment was gifted to me by the lovely Love Letter Generation. Isn't this cute? So it ties along, and then when we open, again I use a La La Love paper, glue some washi tape just to make everything consistent, and the note cards. We were required to have like 4 note cards. I made the note cards the same, and because just to make everything consistent, and inside I just glue like a peachy cardstock that I have in my stash. And I didn't put any sentiment because these note cards can be used as thank you note cards, as love note cards, as happy birthday love cards, sympathy love cards, you name it. So the recipient can just use it as they wish. It's 4. And then we also were required to make the envelopes, and I use my We Are Keeping Memories envelope punch, and I punched a couple of envelopes, and what I did was I glue the washi tape here, and then using my Pentel pen I drew like golden hearts. So it was very easy to make. So I am just so excited that I was able to put this together following Tamika's Scrapdaworld tutorial, and I'm just been loving doing these ISSA Link parties because it's making me do different things. Alrighty, so this is it. If you like this video, just please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.